All right, let's talk about these really beat up D-sharp saxophone key guards. When these get beat up really bad like this, then the D-sharp can no longer open high enough for the note to be in tune. What you need to fix these is most saxophones have a Phillips head screwdriver. You need a good pair of smooth flat jaw pliers, an old drumstick, and a rawhide mallet. If you don't have one of these, then your chimes mallet will work just fine. So once you have your key off, you're going to start by trying to get everything back into the basic shape. So the side arms here should be straight. You shouldn't see any extreme bends to them. So you're just going to use your smooth flat jaw pliers, and you're going to grab those and then gently just pull them back into shape. And if they've got like this weird kind of like double distortion going on in there, like this, like right in the middle, you can just simply squeeze to get it back to flat. And then you can adjust it back to the proper angle. I'm going to check all three and make sure that they're just back into the general shape. And you can check it on the saxophone. If the flanges that they screw into aren't also bent, then you may need to adjust those back to the proper angle, and you just want to match the size up to fit back to those flanges that these screw onto. Now for this part up here next to the adjusting screw for the felt, when that's bent, I like to use my drumstick and place it on there, and I use my mallet and gently tap until I can form that back into the right shape. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing the drumstick onto the deformed portion right here, and I'm using that as a good flat surface to push that down gently. And then you can make some final adjustments with your duckbill or flat face pliers. And there we go. We have a key that looks like it fits properly. We're going to put that back on, and we're good to go.